Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and today we're going to do a little science experiment. I was playing around on Science Bob's website and came across a really neat chemical reaction that I can do at home. And the best part is you can do it for under $5 with mostly stuff from the dollar store. So what I got at the dollar store was the hydrogen peroxide, the dish soap, and some food coloring. I had to run over to the supermarket to get the yeast. And we're going to mix these together and do a elephant's toothpaste reaction. Basically, all you need to do is you put a half a cup of peroxide into a bottle. You put a couple of teaspoons of the dish liquid in, about 10 drops of the food coloring, and then you mix the rapid-rized or regular yeast in a cup with a little bit of warm water, not hot water. You just want slightly warm or you'll kill the yeast. And once that yeast is set up into kind of a paste, because you're only using a couple of teaspoons of water, you mix it up and you throw it in the bottle and you'll get a really neat reaction. As you can see, the reaction went off pretty good. It's not as crazy as some of the other YouTubers have in their videos because I'm using a 3% hydrogen peroxide mixture that's probably been sitting in a dollar store warehouse for the last couple of years, who knows. But it got the job done, and the whole experiment was under $5. As you can tell, I kind of expected the foam to jump up a bit higher like it's in the other videos. So I had this yardstick up here. But this is a really fun reaction to do at home. For all the information on this, I'm going to link you to Science Bob's website in the description on my video here. And that's about all I have for you today. Until next time, build stuff and have fun.